If you're wondering how to offer scholarships or discounted access to your course, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you the simple steps to implement this strategy to attract more students and help others access your course content without breaking the bank. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial to a tool that makes this process much easier. First, let's start with the basics. Offering scholarships or discounts is an excellent way to provide more value to your audience, increase enrollments, and build goodwill with your community. But how do you actually set it up? The first step is to decide who will receive the scholarships or discounts. You might want to offer them to specific groups, such as students from certain regions, people from underprivileged backgrounds, or those who meet particular criteria like financial hardship or a demonstrated passion for the topic. Think about your target audience and how a scholarship could benefit them. Once you've identified your target group, you'll want to set the terms. This means determining how much discount or scholarship you'll offer. You can choose a fixed percentage, like 50% off, or a set amount. You could also offer full scholarships to a select few, depending on your goals. Keep in mind that while it's generous, you still want to make sure it's sustainable for your business. Now let's talk about how to create the application process. A simple application form is key to filtering the right candidates. You can create a Google form, Typeform, or use your course platform's built-in form options to collect essential information like their story, financial situation, or why they want to take your course. Make sure to keep it short but insightful. You'll want to find people who truly benefit from your content, not just people asking for discounts. Once your form is ready, promote it. Make sure your audience knows about the scholarships or discounts. Use your email list, social media channels, and your website to drive traffic to the application form. Be clear about the deadline and the criteria for selection, so applicants know exactly what to expect. As for the discount system itself, you can use your course platform's built-in features to automate discount codes or manually apply the scholarship once you've reviewed the applications. The software we're using today makes this process super straightforward, letting you create discount codes or manage applicants directly within the platform. And if you want to follow along, I've linked a free trial to this software in the description below, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Finally, make sure to do follow-up with applicants. Once you've chosen the winners, notify them as soon as possible and make sure to welcome them into your course with a warm message. Be sure to keep in touch with all applicants, even the ones who weren't chosen, as they might become future students. So, what's the key takeaway? Offering scholarships or discounted access to your course can be a great way to attract more students while giving back to your community. Focus on creating clear criteria, promoting your scholarships effectively, and making the process easy for both you and your applicants. Don't forget about the software we use to automate the process. It will save you time and hassle. Before I close off, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used, linked below. It's a great way to streamline this process and get started right away. That's it. Good luck offering scholarships or discounts, and I'll see you in the next video.